In this video, we explain how you can use the Kyushu University library services from off-campus, such as from home. We also introduce useful features that you can use after you log in. First, open the library website homepage. Then, click the Login button at the top of the page. When the login page appears, enter your SSO key and password, then click the Login button. After you log in, the login icon at the top right changes to My Page. Then, you can use electronic resources from off-campus almost the same way as when you are on campus. From the Databases page on our website, you can access various databases and read electronic journals, articles, and other content from home. Many e-journals and other resources are available only to university members. However, you can access them from off-campus by logging in through the library website and using databases. Next, we introduce the main services available on My Page. First is loan renewal. If your due date is near, you can extend it if conditions are met. Select Borrowing/Renew, choose the book, and click Renew. If eligible, the due date is extended immediately. You can do this easily from home. Second is the book purchase request. If the library does not have a book you need, you can request it. The library will review the request based on content and cost. If you want the library to add a book, apply from Book Purchase Request on My Page. Third is facility reservation. You can reserve facilities such as individual study rooms and group study rooms on My Page. Enter the required information to make a reservation. You will receive a confirmation email. Then, come to the library at your reserved time and use the facility. Finally, interlibrary loan. If the library does not have the material you need, you can request it from another university. You can request a copy or borrow the book. Before applying, please check Kyushu University collections. You can also use QuteLin-Q to request more easily. See another video for details. These services are available from off-campus. This concludes how to use My Page.